Hey guys, we got this filter in today, so we're gonna go ahead and install it. Now, yes, this filter right here is really easy, and that's the installation that you have to go for. It's pretty much push to lock and release, so you will see that in the fridge right now. Now, before you install anything, you do have to take off these caps. So you see these? We have to take these off, so don't forget to take those off. You do have to take those off. Also, make sure you've got these black things. There should be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's because if you are missing one, this will leak. So that happens sometimes. You get faulty ones. This is the original one, so we bought it straight from the company. So it's not a third-party one, or it's not a fake either. So we're gonna go ahead and install it right now. Just a quick heads up, this is exactly what we're gonna do. We're just gonna push it in, we're gonna install it, and then we're gonna let the water run for 3 minutes. Approximately 3 minutes, 1.5 gallons. So you will see there's a difference there. So you have to let this run for at least 3 minutes and then just throw that water out. All right, so we're just gonna open up our fridge. And right here, we're gonna have this. So here's our filter. And yeah, it's time to change it up. So we're just gonna push to release. So once you push enough, it's just gonna pop out. Just take it out. So here's the original one that just came out. So that's how the old one looks like. It's pretty heavy, because there should be some liquid inside of it anyways. And here we got the new one. So this one, we're just gonna slide it in there. Same way that the other one came out. So it's gonna go in this way. So see this part's gonna go up. And let's just slide it in there. So here we go, we're just gonna slide this in like so. And then it's gonna lock in, and it's that easy. So right now we are pretty much done with this installation. All we have to go is into our fridge and reset some things. So we're gonna do that right now. So the last step is to reset this, right? So we have to go into options. And then from here, it's gonna say replace and replace air filter. Air filter's next. Right now, we're just gonna take care of the water filter, which we just did. So we're gonna go on and select that. So we're just gonna go down until we see water filter. From there, we're just gonna press the set button to reset it. And there we go. Right now you should say good. The last step would be to let your water run for 3 minutes. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And at this point in time, you would be done with your video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.